Hello. So for Christmas I got a Christmas wax melt making set, and I feel like wax melts are so popular, so for this video I'm going to be making this wax melts and bringing you on a journey with me to see how you do it and to see if it goes right and just the outcome really. So stay tuned if you want to see how to make wax melts. So I thought this would make like a cool video idea. When I open the box, it comes very cutely packaged. So this is what we get in here. You get like, like the little plasticky cube things that you actually, I presume, pour the wax melts into to make them set. You get some soy. The box smells so good, so I presume that these are going to smell really good. You get like soy wax flakes. You get like this little premium fragrance oil, which is actually in the Smell Fairy dust, and I'm going to smell it. Oh, that's strong, but that smells really nice. Get a little spatula. Wow, they're actually really easy. I'm going to tell you the gist of the instructions that I've just read. You literally like get a pan of water and heat it, and then you put a jug in it, and then in your jug, like, you pour these into the jug and let it melt for like 10 minutes, and then once it's melted, I'm dropping everything, you pour the fragrance oil in, and then you just mix it, and then you literally just pour it into there. So now that I'm familiarised myself with how to actually do it, let's go and do it. I've got my pan on the heat and we want it to boil just so that it's all ready to help melt the wax. I'm now just pouring my wax into this jug. This wax actually smells really nice already. And now that my pan of water is boiled and it's just simmering, I'm just going to put in my jug and leave it to melt the wax really, and I'm going to be stirring it with my little spatula. These like wax pieces actually smell so nice on their own, but obviously I'm going to be adding in the oil. So it's actually melted down quite a lot now. I'm just going to wait for it to finish melting. The wax is fully melted now, so I'm going to be adding in the fragrance oil, which is fairy dust. And then I'm going to mix that. And then I'm going to pour it into the molds. You can see that it's actually cooling already. And now I'm just going to leave them for 3 hours to set. So it's now the next day and I've left these for like 24 hours now. And they are now fully set, so you can kind of just pop them out and use them. The smell is really, really good, by the way. So yeah, that was pretty cool. I quite enjoyed that. I might buy another one because it was pretty cool, and obviously you saw how they worked. I think they looked pretty cool. So now you know how wax melts are made. That easy. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please, if there's any videos that you want to see me do, leave them in the comments and I will see you in my next video.